This video shows how to upload a list of companies. Companies are associated to users that you've set up in SafeSite Check-in. There are three ways to set up companies in the app. Manual entry, where you enter one company at a time through integrating with a Procore company directory, or by bulk importing a list of companies. Your list of companies must be in a CSV file. Let's take a look. A CSV file can be created by other software applications or spreadsheets, as shown here. Your file needs a column with a list of your companies, and your column must have a heading called Company. If your file contains the same company name more than once, then the import will only load at one time. If you're managing your company list through a spreadsheet, make sure that you download it or save it in the CSV format. If your CSV file has more than one column, then the additional columns will be ignored. For example, if you've got a file with a list of employees, the employee names will be ignored when updating the companies. Now let's take a look at how your CSV file is imported. Companies are managed through the Companies page in the Admin app. Select the Import Companies button to begin. Then use the Read CSV button to locate and upload your file. The import page will show you a list of all the companies from your file. If the import detects company names that are already in the app, they'll be skipped. When you hit the Proceed button, all new company names will be imported. Over time, you can continue to import your company list as needed. Let's take a quick look. Here we'll load company names from the Employee Company List file. Any duplicate company names will be skipped. If the import sees a name that is similar to an existing company name, it'll give you a warning, where you can choose to load or skip the similar name. This concludes our tutorial video. If you want to import a list of users into the application, check out the Import Users video. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out to our support team.